Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so now in this video today, we have quick and easy meals, which is an open invitation collaboration for anyone to jump in and enjoy. If you guys are grilling, even making smoothies or lattes or making breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, guys, whatever it is that you're making, just record a video, upload it with the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Okay, so what I'm making here is sausage soup, and it is keto friendly, low carb, and we are adding some broccoli, some onions, whatever it is I have in the fridge, guys. This is gonna be amazing. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Buckeye Girls Recent Things, and we also have Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, because I'm cooking sausage, I always start out with some olive oil, and we chopped up some of the broccoli, we chopped up some onion, we put that in there with the olive oil, like I said. And then we're going to do salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, which is what I call a house seasoning. You guys can go ahead and season this as you like or make it as spicy as you want. This is going to be amazing. And then I'll tell you what else I'm adding to it as we move on with this recipe. You might have heard me say in a previous video that I'm not used to using recipe cards, but you can go ahead and add it to the adjustment of the size pot that you're using. I'm just used to a little bit of this and a little bit of that and some chicken stock, and I'm just used to cooking this way, but you can definitely slow the video down and go ahead and add the stuff that I'm adding to it to the portions that you like. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you for supporting my channel from the bottom of my heart. Remember that this video is a part of a collaboration, and as in all collabs, we want to practice YouTube etiquette. We also want to click the like button and full watch the video because this helps the content creators to grow. Also comment below because it lets us know how you're enjoying our video. So what I added to this, once I cooked the sausage and that's done, we want to go ahead after flash frying this and add some chicken stock. And that's when we want to add our first set of seasoning, because I do this in levels. As we keep adding ingredients, we go in and check for salt and pepper. So we are going to be using some cream. This is going to be some of our thickening agent. We're also going to be using some sour cream. And most of the time I would use some not broccoli, but cauliflower, because you see that it breaks up and it makes everything thick. But this time I didn't have any. So we're depending on the broccoli to do that. Now the same thing is going to apply with the cheese. Use the kind of cheese that you guys like. I happen to have leftover some cheddar cheese, so we added the rest of that. And then I'm adding some mozzarella cheese. But sometimes I use Colby Jack. Sometimes I use a Mexican cheese, a mix of Mexican cheese. But really, it just depends on whatever cheese you like, guys. Remember that once you get it as creamy as you like it, everything's also, if you let it sit overnight, it's going to get thicker. So just thin it out with a little bit of chicken stock or some water, and then keep going back to taste for salt and pepper. I'm serving it in a bowl now, guys, and so we're heading over to the reveal. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.